You want to go to a club, but to get in you must respond correctly to what the bouncer says. The bouncer says 12 to one man, and the man responds 6, he is allowed in. The bouncer says 6 to another man, and the man says 3, he too is allowed in. A third man walks up, and the bouncer says 10, and the man responds 5, but he is denied entry. Did the bouncer decoded the code correctly? Can you decode the code? Hurry up, show your wit. He should have said 3. The rule is to respond with the number of letters in the number the bouncer says. 12, that is TWELVE has 6 letters, 6, that is SIX has 3 letters, and 10 has 3 letters. A boy was born in 1955, he just had his 18th birthday today. How is this possible? Is the boy immortal? Or his parents made some mistake in the calculation? Solve it fast, time is running out. 1955 is not the year he was born, it was the hospital's room he was born in. Now challenge your friends and family by sharing this episode, and prove them your wit. A large truck is crossing a bridge of 1 mile long. The bridge can only hold 14,000 pounds, which is the truck's weight. The truck makes it halfway across the bridge and stops. A bird lands on the truck's roof. Does the bridge going to collapse? Give a reason. The time has started. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. You don't have to be an engineer to solve this riddle. No, it does not collapse, because it has driven a half mile. If you subtract the fuel used from the total weight of the truck, it won't exceed the bridge holding capacity. Did the riddles challenged you? Keep following us to solve more brain-teasing riddles. Are you a riddler? Then join us at our Facebook. If we like your riddle, we will give it in our upcoming episodes, along with your names. So, keep solving riddles with the Riddlers.